Hello guys. Today I'm going to talk about on my project that is based on uh, pure JavaScript, and I have made a to-do list which is works like a same to-do list that we have used before. We have to just use our task and just to follow, and we can just tick them and we can just complete them, and in the and very interactive UI design. So let's start from here. So as you can see, this is my HTML code where I have just created a skeleton. So as you can see here, I have made a heading to do list and then a p tag paragraph which takes the input, and as we down here, all the item like div here and the list div here. Okay, and here I have just mentioned my JavaScript file path. So now let's run the code here, and we will see how will work. So now as you can see here, this is our UI, and now if I try to add something, suppose I want to add a hello world. Okay, so hello world. So if I want to add here, I just need to add the button here. So see, if I as soon as I hit the add button, my text from here come down to here, and this is my list. It is my kind of list. So if I want to just add more items like this, suppose I want to add uh, like hi. Okay. So now if I want to add the hi in my list, then I can add here. So if I want to just tick down, okay, I have completed the task like this, so I can just tick this out, and as you can see here, we can say our complete task, that is 1, and total task, that is 2. And if you want to add complete one more task, then we can add also here. And as you can see now, our priority item, that is high, will be uh, will be completed first. So it will come here, and then our hello world come here. So if I want to just delete them, so we can just delete here, or if you want to just edit them, then we can edit also. We just need to click on the edit, and now we are ready to go. Except if I want to give a hello here, so hello. Now just click on the same icon, so you can just save the item. So okay, so if you want to just delete another one, you can just delete it right from here. Okay, so now let us look on the JavaScript file. So as you can see here, I have just given the id id or class name from all the divs, so that I can just use the DOM. So now as you can see here, I have just taken all the element by their name or class name, whatever I want to take. So now if I want to perform an action on the given div or given task, so I can just use, basically I have used a function here, just like take a string, like this work is responsible for like adding, deleting, or changing the data. Okay, so now move down. As you can see here, our list item will be checked for checkbox, like we can just check the checkbox and the label, edit input button, and delete button. Okay, all tasks done by from here. So if you want to just check and come down here, so this is the method which is used to add task. So whenever we click task value, it will add the task and in the given list and increment the task by 1. And now it will just call the task count function. So as I click on this, so as you can see, see, it will come down to me here, where my all the task count function working here. So if I just go up here, now as you can see, my edit task edit my function will work like that. And now if we talk about the delete task, then we can see, or we can just delete the task, we can just remove the element from the list, whatever element we are selecting, like our button will be selecting. So after deleting the item, we have to just decrement the count as well. Okay, so we are deleting the count and just calling the take count function. So just come down here, and this is a method which is shown up when we complete the task. As you can see here, it is performing the task, and just it's calling the function and counting the task as well. Like as we can see here, my task will be come down here. So this function will work like that. Okay, and now as you go down here, like simply my this method will be working as task incomplete. If we haven't done the task, so this will be called. And yeah, and this is a for loop which will be printing all the element and the task, I mean says I want to say the count, this and this. Okay, this will be responsible for the this and this. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful for you. And yeah, thank you so much.